Assalamu alaikum and a very beautiful good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Firstly, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English, especially our great Nabi sir, for building this amazing institute and imparting us the art of public speaking. I am Yasir Hussain, I live in Ghosi and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. And today, I am going to deliver a speech on mother. Before starting my speech, I would like to say few lines in Hindi. पनाह कर दो अपनी सारी जिंदगी अपने माँ के कदमों में, पनाह कर दो अपनी सारी जिंदगी अपने माँ के कदमों में। दुनिया में बस यही एक मोहब्बत है जिसमें बेवफाई नहीं मिलती। There is no one in this world than the mother, and if the mother is not there, then this world is identical to the desert. So mother should never get hurt, never. And this word mother is precious. And this is not only the word, but the basis of our living. It is tough to live without a mother's accompaniment. But nowadays, some people are treating their parents like garbage. Like they are nothing. Why? Have they forgotten that who used to take care of them when they were nothing? When they were not able to do anything by themselves? Yes, it was your mother who taught you all these things. That how to walk, how to stand and how to speak. So everyone needs to understand the importance of mother in their life. Because no one can be as real as her. Taught me how to walk, how to speak and how to take care of myself. Similarly, every bigger step that I have taken in my life is all because of my mother. Because if she hasn't taught me that how to take small steps, then I won't be able to take these bigger steps. Mother supports us in our good and bad times. And now, before ending my speech, I would like to say few lines in Hindi. तुम क्या सिखाओगे मुझे प्यार करने का सलीका, तुम क्या सिखाओगे मुझे प्यार करने का सलीका। मैंने अपने माँ के एक हाथों से थप्पड़ खाए हैं, दूसरे हाथों से रोटी खाई। Now I wind up my speech thanking you all wonderful people for saying gift to my words. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.
सलाम। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,